Bones here at Bones Job. Got me another homemade grill. No diggity, no doubt. My hot water heater went out. And that's a 30-gallon tank right there. It's an itty-bitty smokestack with some crazed up legs, using all the hose that I could use. I got a couple of air vents right there, and each leg has a hole going up to it, each leg. And it'll suck air through here, shoot up in there, and at the bottom it'll shoot all the way up in there. With this piano hinge, got a good many little small cracks in it. That plus my 3/4 inch. It may work. I'm hoping it. I'm hoping it'll work. If not, I'll have to drill some more holes in it. Alright, we're going to get it to the house, get it set up, and try to do a little cooking on it. Chef Bones RD style. Got me a fire going in my grill. When you close your lid, reduce the oxygen. Smokestack smoking, so is the top. I believe she's going to work. Lift the lid, look at the fire. Did it put it out? That's what I want. Almost. So it's getting oxygen and it's smoking. And I retired this one because it is gone. I've been having this 4 or 5 years. Done a lot of cooking on it. A lot of cooking. It's done gone back yonder. I can still repair it and modify it, but hey. Bonesology. Water heater. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah! No diggity, no doubt.